Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. In this video, I am going to take up an amazing method to multiply some special numbers, and these numbers are the numbers which differ by 2 or 4. Just like 33 and 35, the difference between these two numbers is 2, right? So how do you multiply 33 and 35? Likewise, if the numbers differ by 4, like 43 and 47 or 44 and 48, we can multiply these numbers using a super quick method. So friends, let's understand this, and before that let me tell you that this trick is a part of the chapter number 2 of our ebook of short tricks, which is in the market now, and magic multiplication tricks is the name of the chapter. So friends, let's understand the concept involved here. So whenever the numbers differ by 2, just like let's take an example of 83 and 85, right? So we have an intermediate number, the number lying in between these two, which is 84. So we can express both of these numbers in the form of this intermediate number. Like 83 is 84 minus 1 and times 85 is 84 plus 1. So you can see we have this product as 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 1 rather, that is minus 1, and all we need to do is to find the product of 84 and 84, which is the square of 84. So if we know how to find the square of a two-digit number using a short trick, this product is also going to be very easy. Likewise, if the number differ by 4, suppose you have 82 and 86. So what is the intermediate number? It is 84, right? So I can express this in the form of 84, which is 84 minus 2, and 86 also. It can be written as 84 plus 2. Now when I multiply minus 2 and plus 2, I get a minus 4, and 84 times 84 obviously will be 84 square. So if I know 84 square, I have to just subtract 4 from the result to get the product of 82 and 86. Now I am not doing the product here because I will be using so many questions to illustrate the trick. This is the concept involved in the trick. Numbers differ by 2, take the square of the intermediate number and subtract 1. Numbers differ by 4, take the square of the intermediate number, that is a middle number, and subtract 4 from the result. Let's apply it to solve some questions now. Suppose you have 21 and 23. The middle number is 22. So all I have to do to find this product, just find the square of 22 and subtract 1 from the result. So see, up to 30 you should know the squares. If you don't know, we have a short trick which I will be demonstrating in the second question. So for 22, I know that the square is 484. So minus 1 gives the product 483, and that is the answer. You can check 21 times 23 will be 483. Now, how did I square this? I remembered 22 square, so I was not bothered. But what about this question? Here we have the middle number as 48. So the product will be 48 square minus 1. And how do you do 48 square? Here we have the method. 4 square is 16, 8 square is 64. Write them together. 4 times 8 is 32. Double of 32 is 64, which I have to write in the middle here, and then add vertically 4. 10 means 0, 1 carry. 13 means 3, 1 carry, and we have a 2. Now 2304 is the square of 48. Now this is the trick you have to adopt. So 2304 minus 1 gives 2303 as the product of 47 and 49. I hope you understand the squaring trick here. Let's have some more questions. 89 and 90 is very easy. Why? Because the intermediate number is a base number 90. So all you have to do is to square 90 and subtract 1 from the result, which is 8100 minus 1, that is 8099, which is the product of these two numbers. Now coming to the numbers which differ by 4. So what did I tell you? Find the intermediate number. Here it is 47. So for the product, do 47 square and subtract 4 from the result. Now 47 square, 4 square, 16, 7 square, 49, 7 fours are 28, double 56, right in the middle, add vertically 9, 0, 1 carry, 12, 2, 1 carry, and we have a 2. So 2209 minus 4 gives 2205 as the product of 45 and 49. Let's take some more questions. 68 and 72 super easy for me because the middle number is 70, which is the base number. So the product will be 70 square minus 4 because the difference is 4. So 70 square is 4900 minus 4 gives 4896 as the product of these two numbers. One more questions. Here we have the middle number as 95. So I know how to square 95 using the Vedic maths. So the product will be 95 square minus 4 because the difference is 4 here. 95 square can be done using Vedic maths. 9 multiplied by 10 is 90 and 5 square is 25. So 9025 is the square of 95. 9025 minus 4 gives 9021 as the product of 93 and 97. See how quickly we worked it out, and these are minor small things which you need to be sure about if you want to work efficiently solving all these questions in your mind. So friends, if you like this video, do subscribe to our YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and when you subscribe the channel, you have this bell shaped icon along with the subscribe button. You need to hit this bell icon for getting all the notifications of future uploads on this amazing channel. So friends, practice this method of multiplying the numbers which differ by 2 or differ by 4, and let me know in the comment box here whether this worked for you or not. All the best.